Constructed for the City of Boston Police Department on Moon Island in Quincy, Massachusetts, this two-story, 3,600 square foot modular building was assembled off-site at a factory in Pennsylvania and shipped in 6 pieces 400 miles to Massachusetts, including over the Moon Island Causeway. It only took 1 day to crane set all 6 modules and have the building dried in on the poured concrete foundation. Located on the south side of Moon Island, the new custom building overlooks a breathtaking swath of the Quincy Bay, with the rifle and pistol outdoor shooting range directly behind it. The building serves as the firearm and tactical training center for Boston PD and many other local police departments. Built as a Type 2B non-combustible steel and concrete structure, the highest quality materials were used to create this energy-efficient and beautiful custom building. The rear of the building is clad with special sound dampening panels to absorb and diffuse sound reflection from gunfire. The large bullet-resistant windows let in a ton of natural light, while also giving great views to training exercises and the surrounding bay. Inside, the building contains several offices, a kitchen with custom casework, an armory, locker rooms, fitness room, and a spacious classroom where officers prep for testing. A typical day at the firing range includes a cycle of 15 to 25 officers who use the facility, which is an integral part of maintaining a police force that is well-trained to protect the citizens of the greater Boston area. This building's design complexity, upgrades, and location clearly demonstrate that there are particularly no limits to the effectiveness of modular construction. With the sections being constructed off-site, a building's project schedule can realistically be accelerated by up to 50%, even while meeting the highest standards for safety and quality. No matter the size or customized features, Vanguard modular buildings are being built with one of the most advanced construction methods that exist today. Discover the benefits of modular construction